Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So, do you know how to use se? Well, in this video, you're going to learn it once and for all. You know that se can be used in multiple different ways, right? So, I'm going to start explaining 3 ways to use se, and then on my next and following videos, we'll get into more ways of using it. So, today, let's start with 3 very easy ways to use se that I'm sure you have already read or seen. So the first one is very easy. If you have studied my last lesson about direct object and indirect objects, I'm sure this will be super easy for you. So let's revise. Remember that if I say compré un regalo a Juan, okay, we have un regalo, direct object, and a Juan, indirect object. So if I want to substitute un regalo, okay, masculine, I say lo compré. And if I want to substitute a Juan, okay, I say le compré un regalo, okay? But what happens if you want to substitute both at the same time? Would you say le lo compré? No, that's when we use se. Okay, so se lo compré. Se lo compré. Okay, so se, it's like the substitute of le. When you're using at the same time lo and le in this case. Okay, so let me give you another example and then you think about it. Okay, for example, di un regalo a María. Okay, think about it. The direct object is un regalo. A María, indirect object. So you can say lo di a María or le di un regalo. And what happens when you want to say both at the same time? Se lo di. Perfect. Okay, the next use. We use se also in reflexives. I'm sure you have seen this and used it a million times. So, for example, la niña se peina el pelo. Okay? The girl brushes her hair. Okay. Another example, se lava la cara. Okay? She or he washes his or her face. Okay? In this case, you can change se with me, te, if you change the subject. Okay? So if I say yo me cepillo el pelo. Okay, great. And the third use of se. So the third use is to intensify. Okay, we call it dativo. Dativo o intensificador in Spanish. Okay, so for example, you say, él comió donuts. Okay, he ate donuts. If you want to intensify, you say, él se comió los donuts. Okay, so by adding se, you intensify. Okay, and those are the 3 ways to use se in this first video. And let's revise. So we have se when you want to substitute both indirect object and direct object. Okay, se lo compré. Reflexive, when it's a reflexive action like comb one's hair. Se peina el pelo. Okay, and the third use is to intensify. Okay, so dativo in Spanish. And for example, let me give you another one. Leyó un libro. Él leyó un libro. Él se leyó un libro. Okay? So I hope you have understood everything. If you have any doubt, please contact me. You know that I'm always happy to help. Comment below. And I want you to write down one example for each use of se, okay? And I'll make sure to correct them to you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye!